Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Have you subscribed to my channel? I say let me remind you, if you haven't done so, that's if you are new to this channel. And to all my returning subscribers, I don't even know how to thank you enough. You guys are amazing. And in this video, I will be making this super tasty fried egg recipe. So let's go. I have cracked open the eggs. That's 3 eggs. I'm using 3 eggs. I'm adding some salt now, very little amount of salt. You know, egg is not supposed to taste salty. So I just went in with my black pepper. Please let me remind you, black pepper is not Cameroon pepper. It's not Cameroon pepper. And don't skip it for anything. I added some little amount of seasoning cube, my scotch bonnet pepper and onion. So we'll mix. In this pan, I'm adding little amount of vegetable oil. You can see I'm just using a little amount of oil. Guys, have you subscribed? Have you subscribed to this channel? You can enjoy your noodles with this egg. You can enjoy your bread, especially if you're in Nigeria. You understand that bread they call agege bread. Yes, this is the kind of egg you used to enjoy your agege bread. Just slice it open, place the egg in the middle. Oh, otilo. I don't know how many of you that have been to a Malan's shop before. I've been there before, and this is how they do their egg. Though my own is sweeter now. My own tastes better than their own, but it's this kind of format that they use. Like, they make their egg so flat, and I like the shape, in fact. So, but my own, you can't compare my own, the taste of my egg with their own. They learn work for where So guys, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and keep coming back for more. I love you.